Welcome to this screencast on learning how to use Google Docs for the grade 3 presentation on inventions. The first thing we need to do is go to Google. So you can go down at Moodle and you can click on it, it'll take you to Google. Once you're here, you're going to see that they are logged in. You can tell they're logged in up at this corner because what they work out of is the FN Lab ISI Students .org. So once you're there, they click on Mail. That'll open up their mail, and from there you go to Documents. And then when we get to Documents, we will look over here in the Collections. You see my collections, and down here it says Grade 3. We'll click on Grade 3. Invention Presentation. Click on that. It'll take you to this that gives you either teachers' classes. Click on the correct class. You'll see that these names are already here. The files will be already created for them. It'll have their name on them and they'll be able to fill in the blank. What I've used here is a template, and this template will allow them to enter in the information, and we have the ability to change the template to suit whatever needs you would like to put on there. So I'll use mine really quickly, which is Zorba-Rose. Once we get here, we get the template. We have the slides over here that they can choose from, and then we have some tools up here that I don't think they'll be using for this one because we just want to get the information in. So what they would do first is they would go to their, and they would type in the name of their invention right here. So we would do, I'm going to work on the Bunsen burner. They just type this in. Then they would go to the second slide. In the second slide, type in the name of the invention here. So we type that in there. And then down here it says place a photo of the invention here. Resize the photo so that it is completely covers this text box. So what we do is we go to Google and let's do images. Click on images. Bunsen burner. Search. And you get a picture of the Bunsen burner. And this is the neat part about using Google Docs, is that what we can do is we can just take the picture of the burner, copy it over, pull it over to our desktop. It'll go there. Then we click on the folder that we want. We just bring it over to the desktop and drop it. Resizing it, when you have the X, you can move it. Resizing it is put it in the corner and bringing it big like that. So the second one would be name of the inventor here. Robert Bunsen. Of course, I would look over here and get the information. So I would then come to the next one. Name of the inventor. Robert Bunsen. Found a picture of him right here. Again, drag it to the desktop, and then drag it onto the and you go to the next one. It'd be a biography. So from looking here, that's where I type my small biography. And after that, we would do the one for the invention. And then let's say that you want to add a couple more photos, other information or photos. Let's say you want to do like, picture like this, show the university where I worked at. And then resize it. You'll notice that when you're done doing something really quickly, there's no need to save. It says up here saving. And when you bring the picture in there, It'll say saving right here. And then when it's done, it'll say all changes are saved. So again, it automatically saves for you. Thank you for watching the screencast on how to create these types of presentations. Goodbye.